So if you've ever used a stock screener, you probably know the drill. You start with filters, sector, price to earnings ratio, moving averages. You already know what you want to find. The annoying part is turning that idea into a bunch of parameters. Relaxfolio's different. It's an idea-based stock screener. You just say what you're looking for in plain English. A theme, a chart pattern, today's movers. And it builds the screen for you tables, heat maps, charts, plus context on each result. Let me show you 4 examples. First up, what's moving today without earnings getting in the way? We type big movers today, exclude earnings. Relaxfolio figures out what we mean, scans the market, and brings back today's top movers already filtered how we asked. Let's click the top name, Moderna, ticker MRNA. You get price action, financial metrics, and business context. It also pulls up related stocks, companies tied to the same story, even across different sectors, and you can scroll through the rest of the movers to compare. Next, a thematic view, we ask for a mining stocks heat map. Instead of one flat list, Relaxfolio groups miners by metal, gold, silver, copper, and more, so you can see which part of the complex is actually leading. Flip from 6-month to 1-month returns to change the time horizon. Scroll down, and there's the full table, every stock in the heat map, ready to dig into. Markets don't just move on tickers, they move on big forces. AI build-out, reshoring, nuclear energy, defense, and geopolitics. So we ask, mega forces shaping the market. Relaxfolio maps that into investable themes. You can browse the main forces: AI infrastructure, data center power, nuclear and uranium, reshoring, domestic infrastructure, defense and geopolitics, and drill into each one for stocks exposed to that theme. There's also a plain English explanation of each force, and a list of related ETFs if you'd rather play it through baskets. It's research organized around ideas, not industry codes. Last one, technical analysis. Without building a screener from scratch, we type ascending triangle. Relaxfolio finds stocks showing that pattern right now. Open MNKD, the chart marks the ascending triangle and the key levels. Then PI, same pattern, but this one's already broken out. Same setup, different stage, useful before you actually place a trade. That's Relaxfolio. Ask a question, get a structured answer. Tables, heat maps, themes, charts, built from your idea, not a filter checklist. Check it out at relaxfolio.com.